Assalamualaikum dear students. Hope you are healthy and healthy. Welcome back to NIEBS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin, Shikha, assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School morning shift. Today I am going to take home science class for the students of class 6 on the topic of multiple choice question part 2. I'm repeating, today our topic is multiple choice question part 2. Students, this is our 22nd lecture. For today's class, take your notebook and writing elements. We'll discuss some multiple choice questions, that means about some MCQ, and you have to pick the answers in your notebook. So let's begin. Students, today we'll start our MCQ with a passage. The question is read the passage and answer the question number 19 to 20. The passage is the teacher punished Colin for telling lies. This made Colin angrier. Now come to question number 19. The punishment made Colin. Options are abstinent, prone to disobeying, truthful. Which one is correct? Option A 1 and 2, option B 1 and 3, option C 2 and 3, option D 1, 2 and 3. Students, can you guess which one will be correct answer? Okay, I hope you can guess the correct answer. Here correct answer will be option A 1 and 2. Now come to question number 20. What happens to the person who tells a lie like Colin? Options are feels ashamed, compunction, remorse, shame. So here our answer is option B, compunction. Option B. Now come to question number 21. What should the teacher do to not increase Colin's anger? Options are advise her, make her understand, influence her, praise her. Here our answer will be option B, make her understand. Question number 22, what is moral behavior? Options are compunction, sense of guilt, controlled life, remorse. Can you guess which one will be correct answer? Yes, what is moral behavior? Yes, the correct answer is option C, controlled life. Question number 23, what is the type of food that helps to remove anemia? Options are mineral salt, iron, iodine, thiamine, B1. Here our answer will be iron. So iron that helps to remove anemia. We have to put tick mark on option B, iron. Question number 24. Lack of safe environment leads children to encounter what? Options are uneasiness, danger, emotion, sickness. So here our answer will be option B, danger. Question number 25. Why do criminals traffic children to other countries? Our options are for fame, for love, for travel, for money. Here our answer is option D, for money. Because traffickers or criminals traffic children to other countries for money. Question number 26. How long is the period of puberty during adolescence? Options are long, very long, short, very short. Here, the answer will be short. Option C. Number 27. What is essential for growing up healthy? Options are luxurious thing, good neighbors, safe environment, physical fitness. So here we can say our answer will be option C, safe environment. Safe environment is essential for growing up healthy. Now again, we'll read a passage and we'll give answer of some questions. Read the passage below and answer to the question number 28 and 29. Here's our passage. While coming to the road, a boy touched Mahi. She got afraid and started crying. When her mother asked, she could not say anything. Now, question number 28. Who is responsible for Mahi's situations? Our given options are Mahi herself, he who has done wrong, unknown boy. Unknown boy. So, which one of the following is correct? Our options are option A 1 and 2, option B 2 and 3, option C 1 and 3, and option D 1, 2 and 3. That means all. So here, can you guess, students, which one will be correct? Can you guess? Yes, it will be option B. That means 2 and 3. He who has done wrong and unknown boy. Both are same, so we have to put tick mark on option B. Now come to question number 29. What should Mahi do to get rid of this type of situations? Options are stop going to school, take parents' help, take neighbors' help, take friends' help. So here it must be option B, take parents' help. So when something happened wrong with you or with me, first we have to inform our parents and we have to share the situation. We have to take help from our parents. Question number 30. Which changes make adolescent boys feel shy in front of others? Options are moral, mental, physical, environment. Which one will be correct here? This one will be option C, physical. Question number 31. Who tempts pretending to be our relative? Options are stranger, friend, neighbor, teacher. Can you guess which one will be correct here? Yes, option A is absolutely correct. This one will be stranger. Stranger tempts pretending to be our relative. Question number 32. How much kilocalories can we get from 1 gram protein? Options are 4 kilocalories, 6 kilocalories, 8 kilocalories, and option D 9 kilocalories. So here our answer is option B, 6 kilocalories. Students again will read a passage and then we have to answer some questions. So read the following paragraph and answer the question number 33 to 35. The passage is Neha is a student of class 8. She likes fish, meat and fast food very much, but she does not like to eat vegetables, fruits and water. She is overweight. So the doctor told her to reduce weight and to take a balanced diet. Now come to question number 33. Which one has happened in case of Neha due to the intake of fast food? Options are weight has increased excessively, need of nutrition has been fulfilled, weight of the body has reduced, growth has been good. Here the answer will be option A, weight has increased excessively. If we take fast food, our weight will be increased. So for 33, the answer will be option A, weight has increased excessively. Now, question number 34, how many glasses of water does Neha need to take every day? Options are 4 to 5 glasses, 5 to 6 glasses, 6 to 8 glasses, 8 to 10 glasses. So here our answer will be option C, 6 to 8 glasses. We all need to drink 6 to 8 glasses water every day. Okay, a girl or a boy who is at the age of Neha need to drink water 6 to 8 glasses. Question number 35. The foods that need to be included in Neha's everyday meal are rice, bread, fish, meat, milk, vegetables and fruit. Which one of the following is correct? Options are Option A, 1 and 2. Option B, 1 and 3. Option C, 2 and 3. Option D, 1, 2 and 3. So students, can you guess which one will be correct here? I hope you guessed the correct one, because the answer is very easy. It will be option D. Rice, bread, fish, meat, milk, vegetables and fruits. All these need to be included in Neha's everyday meal. Not only Neha but also in everyone's meal. So now come to question number 36, which is called the unit of measurement of energy of food. Options are calorie, kilocalorie, watt, joule. So do you know the answer? Which is called the unit of measurement of energy of food? Is option B, kilocalorie. Number 37, what is the source of our energy? Options are air, water, food, tree. Which one will be correct here? It will be food. Option C, food is the source of our energy. Last number 38, which creates a need for more kilocalories. Options are cold, fever, cholera, diarrhea. Can you guess which one will be correct here? Yes, option B, fever. Fever creates a need for more kilocalories. Students, that's all for multiple choice question part 2. And I hope students you have understood today's topic. And another thing I want to inform you that we will provide assignment for your annual examination. On this you will get marks and you will be promoted to next class. So we'll discuss on this later. You will be informed very soon and you have to submit your assignment by your own way. Okay, I hope you have understood today's topic. That's all for today. Students, stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.